Hello friends, this is Rohit Gupta. Welcome you to my YouTube channel ROHANKIT. Today in this video, I will be discussing about how you can make a personal impact on others' life by simple 8 ways. So do watch this video till the end and be a part of ROHANKIT. And I want to tell you that this particular channel is basically for personality development, motivation, body language and lifestyle. If you haven't subscribed for my channel yet, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that in future you can get the notifications for my upcoming videos. So let's get started. Visualize yourself in the situation and then think about how you like the other people should look at you. What way the people look at you. So I'm going to tell you about 8 ways to have a personal impact. The first is take the initiative. Stamp your mark and have the self-confidence in you that whatever you are doing is totally correct. You should have the confidence in yourself that whatever you are pursuing, whatever you are doing is right. Have the self-confidence in you to introduce yourself in front of the others before anybody else make the first move. This was the first step. Now second step is expressions. Consciously smile on your face. Have a better impact on your personality. This will create a warmth about you and people will want to talk to you. They will be attracted towards you due to your conscious smile. So always have a conscious smile on your face, not a fake smile, to attract the people towards you and start your conversation. But most important way to have a personal impact is names. Always remember the names of the people. Try to use their names in conversation. It shows that you are listening to them and you are interested whatever communication is going on. Fourth step is your voice. Your voice matters a lot. Don't be too low or don't be too high. Use proper intonations in your voice and vary your voice according to the words which you want to emphasize. Always communicate with dynamic energy which you want to show to other person that you are energetic person and you are confident person, but don't be too loud. The fifth way is your eyes. Have a proper eye-to-eye contact with the person whom you are communicating. It shows that you are interested in the communication and you are confident enough to be a part of your communication. Sixth way is the stance. The way you walk, whether you are walking in a corridor, whether you are entering into a room, in a family function, in a meeting, always have your shoulder back, chin up, walk tall and calmly. It shows that you are proud, you are confident enough, you are energetic enough that you want to show your personality to everyone. You are highlighting your personality in front of others with the way you are stance, with the way you are walking. Seventh way is get involved. Even though you are not that kind of guy that you are able to mix with other group of people, community or friend circle anywhere, then also you have to force yourself to mix with others, to share an idea, suggestions, opinion and to gain certain kind of knowledge with them. You have to highlight your personality in front of the others too while involving with them. Last but not the least, that is eighth way, is hands, the movement of your hands. Don't be afraid to use your hands to reinforce your words, whatever you are communicating. It's a medium, it's a non-verbal communication. While you are communicating, you have to emphasize the words with the help of your hands movement. And in fact, while using your hands movement and emphasizing the words you are communicating, it shows that what kind of energy you are having. So don't hesitate to use your hands in communication. So friends, these were the 8 ways to have a personal impact on others' life. If you like this video, do give me thumbs up. Give me feedback in my comment section how you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Till then, have a nice day. Good day.